In this video, we're going to talk about Euclid's Proposition 14, and this is fairly straightforward. First of all, he says, I want you to draw lines BC and BD, okay? And then he says, I want you to draw BA. And what he's going to say, first of all, is that we know, as a given, because he's given this to us, that if you add the degrees of angle ABC and ABD, you will get 180 degrees. Now, he doesn't say it quite that way. He actually says if you add ABC and ABD, that you will end up with the same amount of degrees as though you had two right angles. Now, obviously, a right angle is 90 degrees, so you have two right angles, you have 180 degrees, so if you add the number of degrees between ABC and ABD, you'll have 180 degrees. Well, then he goes on to say that what we're trying to prove is that line BC and line BD lie on the same line, okay? So BC and BD lie on line CD. Alright. Now here's how he proves this. He says if that were not true, if BC and BD did not lie on line CD, then what you'd have is a line CDE. Okay? And so therefore the number of degrees of angle ABC and angle ABE would total 180 degrees. Well, here's the problem. You see, if you subtract ABC, the number of degrees from ABC, from, believe it or not, angle CBD, okay, angle CBD, if you subtract ABC from CBD, then what you're going to have is angle ABD equaling the same number of degrees as angle ABE, and that's not true. So therefore, since ABC, the number of degrees here, and ABD comes up with a total of 180 degrees, then BC and BD lie on line CD. And that's the proof. That's it. Alright, I'll tell you more in a future video, so stay tuned.